I gotta have the meatloaf and the mashed potatoes together. Now, for my sis Candy Poo yam patties, because thank you for giving me the recipe.
Here you go.
Hey, my minkies. I'm so happy to see you guys. I know I have not been on here in a minute, and I know y'all ready for that recipe with that good meatloaf and stuff. But before I show you guys the tutorial, I want to let you guys know, give y'all a little update. The reason why I have not been making too many videos, well, actually no videos at all. I have made like a few shorts. But the reason why I haven't been making any videos is because my son is graduating, guys. I've been having so much stuff going on with that, and he has a dinner coming up that has to be planned. So it's like a lot is going on. So if I do have time, I do post a short. And I wanted to post this video so I can give y'all an update. Now, probably after June 3rd, I should get back to normal, guys, if there's not too much stuff going on after that. But I did not quit YouTube. I did not quit. I'm still trying to support y'all, and I see y'all making y'all videos and stuff, and I miss y'all. I thank y'all for supporting me, all the ones that have supported me, all the ones that have subscribed to me. Thank you so much. All the ones that are already subscribed to me and support me unconditionally. Thank you all so much, and thank y'all for being patient with me as well, because I know I have not been posting regularly on here. Now, if y'all really want to see some posts from me, y'all go on TikTok. I've been kind of experimenting on TikTok because I'm trying to see, I'm trying to see if I can kind of, instead of doing reaction videos, I'm trying to see if I can do like original content, more original content. I'm trying to see more of what my audience likes. So I know some of y'all that follow me on TikTok, because I know I have a lot of supporters from here that follow me on TikTok, and thank y'all so much, because I really do appreciate that, and I see you guys, and I love you guys. I go on TikTok just to, I'm experimenting as of right now. So I know a lot of y'all probably wondering, what is going on? She is posting different videos and stuff. No, it's just, I'm just experimenting, guys. And that's how you figure out what your audience want, is by experimenting on your platform. You can do this on any platform. Experiment. That's how you know what your audience likes. And sometimes it could set you back, because my views are set back because I'm experimenting. But you know what? I'm okay with that, guys. I'm okay with that. I really want to do more original content, because a lot of these platforms are looking for more original content. So I want to continue doing that. So if y'all wondering, that's what's going on, and I will come back on here, whenever I get the chance. But if y'all wondering what's going on, that's what's going on. My son is graduating, so I'm trying to, do everything, do the planning, and I just don't know. So TikTok is way easier to post. I don't have to edit anything, take the time to edit videos and stuff. So that's the reason why I'm on there more than any other platform. I'm also on Instagram, but I go on there every now and then. But y'all, this food is so good. Let me get to this tutorial so y'all can see how this meal is made. And it was so delicious, guys. So stay tuned. guys, we're gonna taste the meatloaf right now.
Ooh, look at the steam. Mmm. Mm-hmm. Very, very, very flavorful. I can't even talk right. That's how good it is. Very flavorful. Okay. Now we got the mashed potatoes. I'm gonna taste that. Guys. Mmm. Very creamy. I love these mashed potatoes. And meatloaf. I gotta have the meatloaf and the mashed potatoes together. Mm-hmm. Very delicious. Now, for my sis Candy Poo yam patties. Because thank you for giving me the recipe. Here you go. Mmm. Mm-hmm. On point. I love it. This food was so good, guys. Try this recipe out. Thank you again, Candy Poo 1100. Y'all go follow her. Candy Poo 1100 is one of her channels. The other channel is Candy Poo Vlog Life. Thank you so much for the recipe for the yam patties. Guys, this food tastes so good. I can't wait to go finish eating it. Thank you all for watching. Don't forget to comment down below what you think about this recipe. If you ever tried it before, this is my first time making meatloaf, guys. First time. Can you believe it? Okay, so don't forget to comment, guys, and share for the world to see. Let me know what you guys think. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you guys are notified each time I post a new video. Bye-bye, my minkies.